don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
We have learned how to sell email to others, how to add subscribers. Now we have done so much. Now let us understand how to check the statistical thing and how to keep a check on the overview of what we are doing. So in this video we are going to have a look over the overview and the stats. So firstly, what you need to do is to see your audience and to see your stats, you have to click on this audience menu. Now you can see an option here, that is manage audience. I'll go and view contact, or you can go in manage contact also, and you can just click on overview. Now I'm going to have an overview. See, firstly what I did, I went to audience. After going in audience, either I can view the contact or I can manage the contact. If I'm going to view the contact, then I'll click on overview. In manage contacts also you will get it. But I'll go through view contact and then I'll click on overview. Now see, now the overview page has opened. Now let me little scroll down. See, firstly what you can see here is, see, the subscribers. We have subscribed 3 people. The non-subscribers contact, the unsubscribers and the clean contact. I have said you the meaning of non-subscribed contacts and the unsubscribed contacts in the last video. See, non-subscribers are whom we don't want to send a regular email, but they will receive an email when there is a transaction or if some ads are going on then. Unsubscribers, they will not get anything. And clean contacts, we are cleaning our contacts. And subscription is we are subscribing these contacts to a subscription list. Now you will get a check on how much subscribed contacts are there, non-subscribed contacts are there, unsubscribed contacts are there, and clean contacts are there. See, if you click on this 3, you'll get a look who 3 are the persons, who 3 are the email contact that they have subscribed to your subscription. Okay. But we will not see. If you want to have a look, then you can just click on this 3 and then you can just have a look who are all the subscription people. Now we are getting here something called as audience performance. Now what is audience performance? This is to have an average rate look upon. See, this is average open rate. Means the people who have opened your email. See, average open rate means the people, the contacts who have actually opened your emails. See, if you're sending to 10,000 people, maybe half of them might open it or half of them might not even see it. So you will get the average open rate. For example, 10,000, if 5,000 people have watched it, then the number would be done here. Okay, so average how many people has opened your contact, has opened your email, you will see that rate over here. Now coming to average click rate. Average click rate means if you have given them any button, a link or whatsoever in your email. See, in average open rate you will get to see how many people have actually opened your email. And in average click rate you will be able to see how many people have clicked to the button inside your email. In the content, you have given any, or you have given any URL, you have given any link, you have given any button, they have clicked upon it and done the necessary action. So you will get to see the average click rate. Obviously it is very much common sense that average open rate would be more and average click rate would be less, because after opening only anyone can click upon it. After, see, in 1,500 may open it and just 250 or 300 may click upon it. So it goes like that. So open rate is more and click rate is less. Now coming average subscribe rate and average unsubscribe rate. You will get to know here that how many people, how many percent of people have subscribed to your channel, how many people have unsubscribed you from there. See, you'll get to know here how many people after subscription have unsubscribed themselves. So you will get a look on what is going wrong, and is your campaign working, is your this performance, is your this this working, whatever you're doing right now, whatever offer you're doing right now, whatever subscription you are giving right now, if they're unsubscribing from your this performance, from your this work, then something is going wrong. Okay, so you should always have a check that how many are actually subscribing and loving it, and how many are unsubscribing themselves. Now we'll scroll down and see here what you saw. I'll repeat once again. Firstly, we saw an overview, how many people have subscribed themselves, how many people have unsubscribed, then how many non-subscribed, then how many cleaned contacts. Okay, then you will get a audience performance, where you'll get to see average open rate, average click rate, average subscribe rate, average unsubscribe rate. Now moving down, you will see something is audience performance. See, you'll get to know the audience performance as you want. Like past 7 days, you want to look at audience performance, means what audience are taking actions, what interaction, what efforts are they doing for you. Then past 30 days, past year. If you want to see, if you have removed some new campaign or removed some new thing like new service, and in last 7 days, then you can see just last 7 days. From 30 days, then 30 days. And if you want to see the whole year's performance, then you can just go and see the whole year's performance. Now we are moving down little, and here you can see the subscribers. See, audience change, you will see here an existing subscribers. Okay, see, this is the rate. You can just come here and check upon what are your audience actually doing, how much are they doing. See, here we had a change of 3 subscribers. See, first we had no subscribers. Okay, we didn't had any audience. Okay, now we are having a audience change. See, we are having a audience change. Okay, so there we will see this purple color bar that is coming to 3. You had seen there up that we had 3 audience in our list. So you can see this over here. See the 3 number and 3 people have changed over here. So how much you are going to go with it, that we would see here. Now since last campaign, do you remember one thing? First, in manual adding subscribers, I have added manually in a campaign. I have not added them like that. I have added them through a campaign. Okay, I had shown you how to subscribe them in a campaign. Okay, if you want to do normally, then too you can just go in audience and go in list and subscribe them. But I had created a campaign, and in that campaign I had added them. So when I was creating any campaign, then what was the performance, and how many were subscribed, how many were unsubscribed, and how many were cleaned. So subscribed, you will see this number, unsubscribed and cleaned number. So if you click on one, you will be able to see who is that one and the details of that one email list. So one email list is the subscribed one. If you click on one, you will be able to see the email list of that one. See, now here you can just come, if you are going on with the campaign, and just you can have a look over your last campaign, details of your last campaign, that is subscription, unsubscription and cleaned ones. Now moving down, scrolling down, you will see the campaign performance, that is open rate and click rate. Okay, firstly, open rate and click rate. See, we had not sent any. I showed you how to send an email, but I had not sent an email. So here seems there is no data to show, because we had not actually sent it there. So there was no performance there. So moving on, but you should go and see here that how many people have opened in your. See, above there you were able to see in your subscription who has opened it, who has not opened it. But here the people in your campaign, that particular campaign only, and the people who have sent email in that campaign, who have opened it and who have not opened it, and who have clicked it and who have not clicked it. You will able to see the data over here of that campaign. And above what we saw was not that campaign, it was a subscription, the whole subscription. Okay, now moving down, so there is difference between both. Now top email clients. Now what do you mean by top email clients, and why is it necessary? See, for some special customers. Like some special customers are actually taking efforts, are actually buying your product, and are actually interested in your brand. You can make a email list, a separate email list of those of those clients, and you can just add them here. Okay, so you can make a different campaign, you can make a different offer for those special customers. Like if you're giving others 50% discount, then you give your 60% discount. So you can give something extra to these people. You can, if the last date for them is 7 days, you can make last date for them as 14 days. So accordingly you can make the change over here. So you can create more personal bond with these top customers, and you can create more them as a long time customers. So here you are going to make them as a top email clients. Here you are going to make different offers, different campaigns for special customers of yours. So you can always be in the contact with them, and you can build up on your relationship. Now coming down to, let's come down and see. Okay, now you would be able to see that is top locations. If you go down, then you would be able to see that is top locations. Now why is the top location necessary, and why top location is given here? See, if your campaign is for a certain area, or a certain area people are taking some efforts, or if you see your product is interested in certain locality or anything, like you want to give preference to some top locations only, then you are going to add those email lists in this top location, so that your product would be accordingly sent to them, your offers would be accordingly sent to them. So top location is also a very necessary thing. Like for example, a product may be for a certain area only, or certain area is at the top of your interest and all of this. So you can personally, means you can set a different offer, you can set a different product criteria for those people. So in this way you can separate your unique customers in top location, top email list. In this way you can create differentiation, you can create different offers for different people, and accordingly this will help you to grow your business. So in this video, what we had done, first we had gone to overview. In what overview? Let us just see from top. Yeah, firstly we had gone and seen the overview. Okay, in overview what did we see? That is subscription, unsubscription, non-subscribed people, clean contacts. If you click on this 3, you will be able to see the people who have subscribed their email list. Then coming down to audience performance, average open rate, average click rate, average subscription rate, average unsubscription rate. Then if you come down to audience growth, the audience change and the existing subscribers, you have to have a look over this. And we had made a campaign where we had added 1 subscribers manually. You will see the data over here, that is 1% subscriber, 0 unsubscribed, clean subscribers, and so on. Now coming to campaign performance, if you are doing a campaign, that is we had made a campaign but we had not actually sent. If you see in the 2 videos back, then you would be able to see that we had manually added subscriber, but I didn't send any email to them. I had just shown you how to send it. So here is no open rate, no click rate. So seems that there is no data to show because actually we had not sent them. Now coming down, now you would be able to see that 1 minute. Okay, top email clients. And top email clients, if you want to give, if there are some special customers, if you see some customers are actually interested in your brand, then you can make their email list a separate email list, and you can create different offers for them separately and create them as your long time potential customers. Now moving down, you have top locations. If you want to put some email list into your top location specifically for some location, then you can add your ad, you can grow your business. In this way we are going to use this website to grow our business. We are going to have a look upon overview, and we are going to have and see how our business is growing. And if a subscription if unsubscription is more than subscription and subscribers are less than unsubscribers, then there is something going wrong with our work. So we should make the appropriate changes, because if unsubscribers are more, then obviously people are not giving interest in a brand and will not like it, and it will create a negative marking. So we will try to modify our website, we'll try to modify our offers, our plans for them, and then we'll retry all these things, and we will try to bring our subscribers more. We'll make as many subscribers as possible, and unsubscribers we are going to reduce them. In this way, through overview, we can have a look over the stats and we can increase, we can grow our business.